Welcome back to our exploration of Vietnam. In this part, we'll journey along the picturesque central coastline and venture into the heart of the Mekong Delta, a land of waterways and lush greenery. The central coast of Vietnam is a paradise for beach lovers and history buffs alike. Stretching for over 1,000 kilometers, this region boasts a stunning coastline with pristine beaches, picturesque fishing villages, and vibrant port towns. The Cham ruins of My Son, a complex of Hindu temples dating back to the 4th century, are a testament to the region's ancient civilizations. The ancient cities of Hue and Hoi An, both UNESCO World Heritage sites, offer a glimpse into Vietnam's rich history and cultural heritage. The Central Coast is also a culinary hotspot, renowned for its fresh seafood and diverse regional specialties. The Mekong Delta, also known as the Nine Dragon River Delta, is a vast and fertile region in southern Vietnam. The Mekong River, which flows through the delta, is the lifeblood of the region, providing water for irrigation, transportation, and fishing. The delta is a major agricultural center, producing rice, fruits, and vegetables for the entire country. The floating markets, where vendors sell their goods from boats, are a unique feature of the delta. The Mekong Delta is also home to a diverse array of wildlife, including birds, fish, and reptiles. The mangrove forests of Kengeo are a vital ecosystem, providing habitat for many species and protecting the coastline from erosion. As the sun sets over the Mekong Delta, our journey takes us to the vast expanse of the East Sea, where Vietnam's maritime heritage and commitment to conservation unfold. Join us as we explore the breathtaking islands and diverse marine life that make this region so unique.